Okay. Let me cut the teeth first, yeah? That's right. You know, in the table, the peso, big nice spoon, and more chopping board, the plastic chopping board on the table, yeah? And a skewer. Okay. If I put a chili, tomato, garlic, salad, we have to put them on the skewer. Lemongrass, lamb, everything inside the bamboo stem. Everything. Yeah. Everything into the. Okay. Sorry. In the EOW, Cherry American. Mostly we make form in chili, but we can make form anything. You can just okay. You know, one table we had a one bowl, and we had a 3 skewer. Not for cure the teacher. Maybe after your desserts, yeah? Never know. Maybe, yeah? Okay, now I take out everything for. Oh! Oh! Today I make that mistake. You know, some group I make mistake right on the floor. Right, so 3 fingers like this, and dip into your gel, and we eat finish. No. Have you eaten before fish steamed in banana leaf? Where? Or fish. You don't eat a lot of people cook from the fish, from the chicken. The lot of people the whole chicken, the whole fish. All night, so I go to hospital. But 2, 3. Your 3 cut it 1, 2, 3, 4. All through the skin. You have 3 cut. You get the 4 pieces. Okay, and one side. You make like a side by side, right? Now one end's open. This time you can add the chut and herb. If you have some chut and herb, you can add more. And do the same. You put it in the middle. You make like a fish tail, right? Like it. And fondant it. Okay, good. And not always fish. Sometimes chicken head inside, yeah? Maybe a big surprise for you. You are red chili on in the bottom. You are red chili on the top, okay? You also cut in face down. And you cut all through in the middle about 4 or 5 centimeters. You the lemon to help you open, right? Good. Easy, yeah? I'm going to tell you last dish. Yeah. Last bit. Okay, we come here. And chili powder. And finely chopped in the pot. And kalangka I keep you later. I will finely chop to keep for you. And long bean, 2 spoons. one for you. One okay. One. You know the green one, you can take the chew, you can eat inside. Have you taken the green coconut? Oh my.
大家说的太平原万能避难标志，不用往这个说。哎，就是泼水节，就是他们的国际新年的时候，会把它请出来。
滝を見ました。
Kon pakai tadi. Đấy, nó áo hộp này.
Here is quite different than the other country.